Welcome. In this video, I'll show you multiple ways to add someone on Snapchat without saying added by search. Alright, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first off, you can go ahead and use a snap code. Let's say your other friends got a snap code from that specific person. Well, you can go ahead and ask them to send it to you so that you can scan it. Right? The code will look like this. Alright, or you can go ahead and ask the person to screenshot and text you their yellow snap code, just like this one. And then all you got to do is just scan it, right? Now, the other option is by using a profile link. As adding someone via a shared URL will show that you added them via link, not added by search. Okay? So ask the person or other friends if they got the link to send it to you, and then you could add them. If they don't know how to get their link, well, they can just go ahead and tap on the share again, QR code, and then just tap on copy. Now, once that's done, they will be able to send it to you. All right. They can just go ahead and tap on the messenger or any other messaging app, and then just tap on the Snapchat right here, and you should be able to see the profile. All right. And lastly here, if the person appears in your suggestions or suggested friends section right here, well, you can just go ahead and tap on add or the quick add button. All right, so those are the ways to add someone on Snapchat without saying added by search. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.